Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable or disable thumbnail previews in Windows 11. So open File Explorer. Now here click on these three dots, then Options. Now here guys click on View. Here is the option Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. So if you need to disable and turn off thumbnails, so select this first option. Then click on Apply. Then click on OK. So as we can see, only icon is appear, not thumbnail. If you need to enable thumbnails, click on this three dot, Options, View. Uncheck this first option, Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Then Apply. Then click on OK. So this is the way guys you can show and hide thumbnails previews in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.